Sometimes in life, an adult is unable to make important decisions because of disability. When these decisions involve everyday financial and legal affairs, the Public Trustee can help. When the Guardianship and Administration Board appoints the Public Trustee as your administrator, it's our responsibility to manage your financial affairs and act in your best interests. As your administrator, we make your financial decisions. Public Trustee will provide you with an information pack on the day of your hearing or shortly after. This pack includes an explanation of our role and responsibilities, the administration process, and our fees and charges. While an administration order is effective immediately, please note that it can take a number of weeks to coordinate managing all your financial affairs. Our role is to manage your financial affairs and ensure we act in your best interests. We will work with you to develop an affordable budget to help pay your bills and repay any debts you may have. We will also organise for your income and pension to be redirected to the Public Trustee to pay for your planned and unplanned expenses and investigate any legal issues to do with your finances. We can help to buy or sell property. We will complete your taxes and income and assets assessment for your admission to aged care, and with your permission, we'll talk to your support person about your financial needs. We will also provide you with annual financial statements setting out all of your income, assets, and expenses. We can't make your lifestyle decisions for you. For example, we can't decide where you're going to live, but we can say whether you can afford it or not. We can only pay invoices if your client account manager has approved the expense. We can only meet with you if you have a pre-arranged appointment. If you do need extra money for a purchase, you or your support person will need to discuss this with your client account manager before you buy it. You will need to let us know if you receive a bill or a request for payment, or if you change your phone number, address, or name. Please be reminded that abusive or aggressive behaviour will not be tolerated by Public Trustee staff. You cannot take out any loans, sign any hire purchase agreements, sign any contracts, or sign a lease for where you are going to live. We will consider your best interest when developing a budget for you, and we may provide an allowance for personal spending. In many cases, you can access your personal spending funds directly through your bank account. Remember, if you require additional money for any special expenses, you or your support person must talk to your client account manager before making any purchases. We will then discuss the suitability of the expense with you and determine if you can afford it or not. If the purchase is approved, we will then determine the best way for that payment to be made. We can usually pay the bill direct, or in some cases, we can arrange for someone to be reimbursed if they have the receipts. The Guardianship and Administration Board usually makes an order for financial administration for 3 years. If you wish to have the decision to appoint the Public Trustee as your administrator reviewed, you will need to contact the board. If you would like to review our fees and charges, you can download the Fees and Charges brochure on our website or ask for a copy to be sent to you. A copy of this brochure is also provided in the initial information pack. The Public Trustee provides services with empathy and respect for each individual client and their circumstances. Our role as your administrator is to act in your best interests to ensure that your financial affairs are protected.